It's exciting. Like, I've been going to school for a long time, so it's just kind of like not sure what exactly I'm going to do with myself.
O ʻAina kekahi haumana I puka kulaku nei mai ko ke kulenui o Hawaii mama noa mahele o ka Academy for Creative Media.
I know that the main thing that I want to do is keep making films, whether it be shorts or eventually a feature. I think right now what I like to do is sit down and try and write one of those features.
He makahiki nui o ka pīhoihoi ke ia no ke ia mea hoʻopuka kiʻi, me na hanana pīhoihoi e like me ka hoʻolele ia o kāna kiʻi ʻoniʻoni ma ka Hawaii International Film Festival.
People recognizing me as a voice for the Hawaiian community has been really interesting.
He moʻolelo ka ʻaina kiʻi ʻoniʻoni o ʻeola I ke ia pō, no ke kahi o pia o Hawaii e hele ana a piki me ka namu no ka nui mi ka maluna ona no ka hoʻoikaika I kona ʻaoʻao Hawaii.
Ma ka ʻōlelo Hawaii.
He poʻaia pili nui o na haʻawina ke ia hoʻopuka kiʻi no ʻaina ma na ʻano like ʻole.
When you're making a film, it's about representing your people and not so much just yourself.
Ua hoʻolauna mua ia aku nei kāna kiʻi ʻoniʻoni o Moke Action ma ka ʻŌiwi Film Festival. He hoʻolauleʻa kiʻi ʻoniʻoni no nā mea hoʻopuka he mau Hawaii wale nō.
Being a part of this film festival is giving me real confidence boost. It makes me feel good about going in the right direction and something that people are interested in seeing.
Bro, what? You're like you're nuts. Oh, chillax, bro. Make like the thing hard for fix.
Ua ai komo pū I aku nei ka ʻaina kiʻi ʻoniʻoni o Moke Action ma ka Shanghai Film Festival o ke ia kauwela.
I'm super excited that films has given me the opportunity to travel and see the world. At that same token, I hope people from across the world appreciate what we're doing here in Hawaii.
Hoʻomaikaʻi no ia ʻoe, ʻaina e makaʻala pū kākou I ke ia mea hoʻopuka kiʻi Hawaii o pio I ke ia mua aku. O wau no ke ia o Amy Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawaii News Now. Aloha.